では続きまして、このビデオでは一つのアルファベットで二つの音がある、そのような、フォニックスの知識をご紹介していきたいと思います。
Okay, so this is the letter C. So we have a strong C and a soft C. The strong C sound is K, like cat, and the soft C sound is S, like circle. So the strong C is going to be the same sound as the letter K. K, kite, K, cat. And the soft C is going to be the same sound as the letter S. S, sun, S, circle. Okay, next we have the letter G. So we have strong G and soft G. This sound is G, girl, and this sound is J, giraffe. So for this one, the strong G, it does not have the same sound as any other letter. But for this one, the soft G, it makes the same sound as J. J, jacks, J, giraffe.